Look at that piece of veal right there. Lean piece of meat, very mild in taste. This is gonna give us an opportunity to spice it up a little bit. 3 different ways. We're gonna hit it with some marinade for strike 1. Strike 2, we're gonna hit it with stuffing. And then strike 3, a little bit of smoke. And that piece of veal is gonna be out. It's gonna taste so good. First, a little marinade for you. Start out with some wine. Be a Chardonnay, something nice and fruity, maybe a Riesling. About a cup. Does that look about a cup to you? No. You want a little bit more? Want a little more? That's beautiful, right? A little garlic, a little flavor pump. Smells good. How about some white onions? Instead of red onions, some white onions. Sweeter in taste, big time flavor boost right there. Then we're zest in a couple of lemons. Being careful not to get the pith. I can almost taste it. And now, a little tarragon. Smells good. You smell that? You smell it?
That's nice.
Yeah, like a licorice. You can just tear it up in here. It's going in marinade. It's gonna infuse some flavor. Whip that up. Pour it in there, nice, easy. Into the fridge for 4 hours. And that's strike 1 for this piece of veal. Strike 2, here we go. Very nice. Yeah, now our stuffing. We're doing some mushrooms here. Nice, beautiful king mushroom there, look at that. The chanterelle right there. Let me see what else we have in here. Oh, some oyster mushrooms. We got some button mushrooms here. Gorgeous. Does those not look great? They look super. Probably wondering why this toothbrush is here. Well, that's to clean our mushrooms. You don't want to wash these or soak them because these are like sponges and they'll soak up the water, and as soon as you put them on the grill, they become soggy. Gonna doctor them up a little bit though. Extra virgin olive oil. A little garlic for you. Loving the garlic today. Gonna zest some more lemon in here. And now a little pepper. I'm not gonna hit it with the salt now, because salt, that'll just draw the moisture out of the mushroom on the grill, and we don't want that to happen. Shake those up, put those on the grill. We'll grill them up before we put them in the veal. Let's head over to the grill right now. Come on. Yeah. Love being at the grill. Oh, and there's our grill basket. That has been on there for 10 minutes, heating up. Gonna give us a nice sizzle when we pour all these beautiful mushrooms in there. Let's listen to this. Oh. I put my hand over this for 5 steamboats. We know we have medium-high heat. Okay, everybody with me. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboats, 3 steamboats, 4 steamboats, 5 steamboats. 7 minutes is all we're looking for here, okay? Making sure you just toss them up. Getting them nice and charred. You hear the searing going on. It's gonna turn them a nice golden brown color. Oh yeah, does that look great? Fresh off the grill. Gotta make our stuffing. We just zested the lemon in there earlier. Now we're gonna use that juice. Little trick, hold your hand like this, catch all the seeds in your hand, let the juices go in there. I love this part, y'all. Now we can hit it with a little splash of salt. Now we're gonna hit a little more chopped tarragon right here. And that there, folks, is your stuffing for your triple play veal. We wanna let this cool to room temperature because you never wanna add hot to cold. Cooking up some serious veal for you, a slow smoked triple play veal. We've hit it with some marinade. We're hitting it with these mushrooms here. And these mushrooms, we hit some lemon juice, some tarragon, some pepper, and we're using this as a stuffing. Our veal loin has been marinated in the refrigerator for 4 hours. We got white wine, we got garlic, we got white onions for a little sweeter taste, some tarragon right there, some pepper. We just gotta open it up now, like a book or a butterfly. It's a very delicate piece of meat, very tender. Really important here to get it even on your thickness, okay? Very nice. See how that's opening up nice? Beautiful. Can you feel the concentration? Lay that open nice. Hit it once with the marinade. Now we're gonna hit it here. These beautiful shrooms that we barbecued. Oh, nice, nice. Can you believe that? Does that look crazy good or what? Yeah. Yeah. Now we gotta close this book up. No, it's not too full. That's beautiful. We're in good shape here. We're just gonna tie this up here. Say hello to Miss Carrie. Hi. I'm just tying me up some triple play.
Looks good.
Veal loin right here.
Needle ham?
If you can just take over from me here, Carrie, and finish tying that bad boy up.
I can.
I'll make a smoke pouch.
Sounds good.
Do a little double play action here. Double up my foil here. Gonna use the cherry wood. This has been soaking for at least an hour. Use 2 parts wet and 1 part dry. And we're gonna crank it up a little bit here. A little dry tarragon right in here. And why we're using dry is because that's gonna burn quicker than a wet wood. It's gonna infuse another hit of flavor for strike 3 on this triple play tenderloin. Marinade, strike 1. We did the stuffing, strike 2. Strike 3, to ensure that we're hitting maximum flavor, is gonna be this cherry wood smoke pouch. That looks like we're ready to hit the cue. Huh? Does that look great? Thank you so much, Carrie. Let's go do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, does that not look gorgeous? That's exactly what we want, though. Tons of smoke. Indirect grilling is what we got going on here. Smoke pouch directly over the heat element. No heat over here, but we got a drip pan there for the Riesling, the Chardonnay. Pour it in there. It's gonna just perfume up that veal loin like no tomorrow. Always gotta oil the grill just to make sure nothing sticks. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Gorgeous. We want 220 Fahrenheit, 110 Celsius is what we're looking here. We're looking for about 20 minutes per pound. Gonna shut that lid right there. Let that happen naturally right there. Slide back here. Oh, that looks great. Are you kidding me? Little marinade stuffed with mushrooms. Let that smoke happen in there. That is strike 3. That veal is definitely out. It's gonna go to the plate. But first, before we do that, we're gonna cover it with some foil. Let that relax. That piece of meat has been working hard for you on this grill. We're just gonna let it relax. Those juices will flow out through it. So every slice of meat will just melt in your mouth. You're gonna love it. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Oh, I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. Hey, Miss Jenna.
Hey, what's up?
I see you've been busy. Are we about ready to eat here, Jenna?